Ever dreamt of being your own boss? Do you love the smell of fresh hay and the sight of contented cows? Well, dairy farming might just be your calling. It's a chance to connect with nature, produce wholesome food, and build a legacy. And guess what? It's not just about milking cows anymore. Modern dairy farming is exciting, innovative, and brimming with potential for passionate individuals like you. Forget the image of dusty overalls and endless chores. Today's dairy farmer is an entrepreneur, a steward of the land, and a vital part of the food chain. It's about embracing technology, sustainable practices, and creating a thriving business. This guide will walk you through the steps to start your dairy farm, highlighting the ins and outs of this rewarding venture. So, if you're tired of the rat race and yearn for a fulfilling life on your own terms, read on. Dairy farming offers a unique blend of hard work, innovation, and connection with nature, making it an incredibly rewarding experience. Let's dive in and explore how you can make your dairy farming dreams a reality. First things first, you need land. Look for a spot with good drainage and ample pasture for grazing. The size depends on your herd size and production goals. Next up, housing. Your cows need a comfortable and clean barn for shelter, especially during harsh weather. Don't forget a milking parlor. This dedicated space houses your milking equipment and makes the process efficient. Speaking of equipment, you'll need milking machines, cooling tanks, and cleaning supplies. Start with the basics and invest in more advanced equipment as your farm grows. Finally, think about feed storage. You'll need a dedicated area to store hay, grain, and other supplements to keep your cows healthy and well-fed. Remember, a well-planned farm layout ensures smooth operations and happy cows, leading to higher milk production and ultimately greater profits. Now for the stars of the show, the cows. There are many dairy breeds, each with unique characteristics. Do your research. Consider factors like milk yield, fat content, and adaptability to your climate. Holstein cows are popular for their high milk production, while Jerseys are known for their rich, creamy milk. Once you've chosen your breed, it's time to source your herd. Look for reputable breeders who prioritize cow health and genetics. Start with a smaller herd, allowing yourself time to learn the ropes before expanding. Remember, happy and healthy cows are the backbone of a successful dairy farm. Provide your cows with a balanced diet of pasture grasses, hay, and supplements. Regular veterinary checkups are crucial to prevent and address any health issues. Lastly, handle your cows with care and respect. A stress-free environment translates to healthier cows and better milk production. Section 4, the daily grind and milk. Farm Life 101. Dairy farming is a hands-on endeavor. Be prepared for early mornings and a structured daily routine. Milking is typically done twice a day, every day. It involves cleaning the cows, attaching milking machines, and storing the milk properly. Beyond milking, you'll be responsible for feeding, cleaning, and monitoring your cow's health. Regular pasture maintenance, manure management, and equipment upkeep are also part of the daily grind. Embrace the physicality and the connection to nature that comes with dairy farming. It's not just about hard work, it's about building a bond with your animals and taking pride in producing a wholesome product. The satisfaction of seeing your farm thrive is unmatched. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, your dairy farm, your cash cow. Dairy farming is more than just a job, it's a business. And like any successful business, it offers financial rewards. Milk is a staple, ensuring consistent demand and income. You can sell your milk to processors, cooperatives, or even directly to consumers. Beyond milk, you can explore additional revenue streams. Consider selling surplus hay or manure, or even venturing into value-added products like cheese or yogurt. As your farm grows, so does your earning potential. Dairy farming is an investment in your future. It provides stability, self-sufficiency, and the satisfaction of building something meaningful. Plus, you'll enjoy the freshest dairy products right from your backyard. Section 6. Conclusion. Take the utterly amazing leap into dairy farming. Starting a dairy farm is a big decision, but don't let that intimidate you. With careful planning, dedication, and a love for the lifestyle, you can succeed. Embrace the learning curve, seek advice from experienced farmers, and never hesitate to ask questions. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually expand your operation. The dairy industry is constantly evolving, offering exciting opportunities for innovation and growth. So take the leap, embrace the challenges, and reap the rewards of a fulfilling and profitable life on your very own dairy farm. The world needs passionate individuals like you to continue the tradition of dairy farming, providing wholesome food for generations to come. Your dairy farming journey awaits. Go make it happen.